Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam questions from the January 2018 paper. We will be solving the questions which came in the section 5, which is the miscellaneous section of the paper. So let's start with the question number 5 of the miscellaneous section. The question is that if we are given 6 consonants and 3 vowels and 5 letter words are formed, then we need to find out the probability that a randomly chosen word will contain 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So this is the case that we've been given. So there are 6 consonants plus there are 3 vowels. So how many letters are there in total? So therefore there are 9 letters in total, and we need to form 5 letter words. So therefore the number of 5 letter words that can be formed from 9 letters, 5 letter words, will be basically equal to 9C5, and this will be equal to factorial 9 by factorial 4 by factorial 5. So this will be equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2. This 4 and 2 will cancel out with 8, and 3 will cancel out, and this will be 2, and therefore this will come out to 9 into 7 into 2. This is the answer for 9C5. Now let's move on to the next part. So now we have been in the second part, we have been given that the randomly chosen word will have 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So number of words which will have 3 consonants plus 2 vowels will be number of 5 letter words having 3 consonants and 2 vowels will be equal to, out of the 6 consonants we have to choose 3 consonants, so that will be 6C3, and out of the 3 consonants we have to choose 2 consonants, that will be 3C2. This will be basically equal to factorial 6 by factorial 3 into factorial 3, and this will be equal to 3. So upon cancellation this will come down to 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2, and there is a 3 above. So this 3 and 3 will cancel out, and this will also cancel out, so this will come down to 6 into 5 into 2. So therefore required probability will be number of favorable cases, the value of favorable cases is 6 into 5 into 2, and the number of all those cases will be 9 into 7 into 2. This 2 and this 2 will cancel out. Upon there will be 6 and 9, that will be 3 and 2 and 3, so this will come down to 10 by 21, which is the required probability and the answer. So today we have solved question number 5 from the miscellaneous section of NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam, which was conducted in January 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav Sir Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.